Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use target price match. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, if you're purchasing at a store, what you can do is simply go ahead and request a price match at the time of checkout or guest services. And you also need to bring a proof of target price that you want to match, and screenshots or pictures cannot be accepted. Just bring the original receipt if you already purchased the item. That is about it. If you're online and you want to go ahead and price match, what you need to do is simply go ahead and chat with them online or call them at this number, which is 1-800-591-3869, and have the current price you want to match ready, the digital ad, target.com, or the Target app. So screenshots or pictures cannot be accepted again, and then just have your order number and item information ready. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.